So hello friends, today we are going to discuss the Krebs cycle. Okay, so this cycle is start from the when pyruvic acid means glycolysis step is completed. Okay, so in glycolysis what happen here, glucose is converted to pyruvate. Okay, glucose, one molecule of glucose is converted to two molecule of pyruvate. Okay, so if you see the structure of a glucose, then it is six membered ring, carbon ring. Okay, so I have mentioned here six membered, and it is degraded means it is the simplest molecule when glucose is break down converted to in the last step of glycolysis pyruvate is formed, okay, which is 3 carbon, and the number of pyruvate molecule is 2. Okay, so this glucose when converted to from this sorry for that, this glucose is converted to several steps. After that pyruvate is formed. Okay, this process is called glycolysis, and this pyruvate is further converted to acetyl coenzyme. Okay, so this pyruvate after releasing CO2 and NADH converted to acetyl coenzyme. This acetyl coenzyme is 2 carbon compound. Okay, so if you see here, this pyruvate is converted to 2 carbon compound. Okay, and then cycle is started from oxaloacetate, which is 4 carbon. Okay, so this 4 carbon and this 2 carbon when added, okay, this will add together to form citrate, which is 6 carbon, because 2 carbon is there, 4 carbon is there, so 4 plus 2 addition takes place here, and it is converted to citrate, which is 6 carbon. Okay, and this process, if you see acetyl coenzyme to citrate, one enzyme takes place, name is citrate aconitase synthase. Okay, synthase enzyme, if in the last means when synthase is added here, means any new molecule is formed. Okay, so in this oxaloacetate is converted to citrate. The name of the enzyme is citrate synthase, because formation of citrate takes place. So citrate synthase means any new molecule is formed. Okay, so name is citrate synthase. Okay, this is, if you see this here, one enzyme acetyl coenzyme when converted to citrate aconitase synthase enzyme involved here. Okay, complete. So these two steps complete means pyruvate converted to acetyl coenzyme via release of CO2 and NADH. Okay, and this is actually a one water molecule when added together and converted to SS coenzyme A, means pyruvate is activated here for conversion to acetyl coenzyme. Okay, this after that when you see citrate is converted to isocitrate with the help of aconitase enzyme. Okay, this enzyme is very important, and here NAD to convert to NADH. Okay, this isocitrate, this if you see citrate 6 carbon, this isocitrate is formed here. Okay, so enzyme involved here isocitrate dehydrogenase. Why dehydrogenase? Means NADH is involved. When I want to say that when dehydrogenase when involved, then hydrogen will be released here and CO2 is also released here. Okay, since isocitrate is converted to alpha ketoglutarate, so the name of enzyme is isocitrate dehydrogenase. Okay, dehydrogenase when is write down, then hydrogen is released in the step. Okay, and CO2 is also released. So D here name is isocitrate dehydrogenase. This alpha ketoglutarate here is 5 carbon sugar. Sorry, not sugar. Alpha ketoglutarate is 5 carbon containing compound. Okay, means this is 6 carbon. This is further how much carbon? 5 carbon. Okay, means this is simple molecule as compared to this. Okay, in this further alpha ketoglutarate is converted to succinyl coenzyme A. Okay, since alpha ketoglutarate is changes here converted to succinyl coenzyme A, so name of enzyme is based on this alpha ketoglutarate Since here also NADH and CO2 is involved, so the name of the enzyme will be the dehydrogenase. So name of enzyme is alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Okay, so this step is complete. Further, this compound is degraded, means converted to 4 carbon. It is the simple molecule as compared to this. Okay, means molecular weight of this compound will be less as compared to this. Okay, this succinyl coenzyme A is converted to succinate. Okay, in this GTP will be released. Okay, and since succinyl coenzyme A converted to succinate, the enzyme will be involved succinyl coenzyme A. It is the substrate, and depending on this substrate name, the enzyme involves succinyl coenzyme A synthase, because succinate is new molecule is formed here. Okay, after the succinate converted to fumarate. Okay, and the name of the enzyme is succinate dehydrogenase. Okay, so when dehydrogenate is means dehydrogenase, what it reveals, it reveals that in the molecule hydrogen will be released out. So in this hydrogen will be released, so the name of this enzyme is succinate dehydrogenase. Okay, further fumarate is converted to malate with the enzyme fumarase. Okay, fumarate, depending on the substrate name, enzyme is involved fumarase. This malates further converted to oxaloacetate. Okay, since here NADH is also involved, so dehydrogenase enzyme will write down here. So malate dehydrogenase. Okay, the name of enzyme is malate dehydrogenase. Oxaloacetate is further converted to which molecule? Means this cycle is started from here, so it will end up also in this. So this is the starting and end point of this cycle. Okay, so how you will learn? First of all, you should be know about that in this cycle some new molecule is formed. When new molecule is formed, then synthase enzyme is involved, and in the synthase, suppose that this is synthase, so the forward will be in the backward, the name of the substrate is right down here. Okay, like the succinyl coenzyme synthase. Okay, on the basis of substrate this is mentioned here, after the synthase is added here. Okay, dehydrogenase, where it will write down, when first of all you will write succinate. This is succinate. Dehydrogenase, why it will written here? Because hydrogen will be released out. So FADH2 S2 indicate hydrogen is released out, FADH2 indicate that hydrogen is released out, so enzyme will involve dehydrogenase. Okay, so it is the simple cycle, and if you see, I have also mentioned these points. This is the biochemical pathway, because biochemical means inside your cell, in the mitochondria it happens, so it is the biochemical. Okay, in biological system several chemicals reaction is also involved, so name is cycle is biochemical pathway, you can say. This cycle, since here NADH is formed, and so it is the energetic molecule, so used to generate energy from oxidation of acetyl coenzyme A, since this is the main substrate of the Krebs cycle, acetyl coenzyme A. Okay, and to synthesis of NADH and production of amino acid takes place in this cycle. Okay, so in this cycle, if you see the results of the Krebs cycle, one molecule of pyruvate, okay, involved here, and it is converted to 2 carbons compound acetyl coenzyme A. Okay, so one pyruvate when involved in this cycle, then NADH, if you count here, this one NADH, 2 NADH, and 1 NADH, 1 2 and 3. Okay, 3 and 4 means I think dehydrogenase, this one 1 2, okay, and 3, 1 2 3. Okay, only 3, it will not count here, because this is not the part of this cycle. Okay, so if you count here, one pyruvate when converted to acetyl coenzyme and this cycle is taken place, then 3 NADH molecule is formed here, 1 FADH2 molecule is formed here, 1 GTP molecule is formed here, 2 CO2 is involved here. Okay, since one pyruvate is converted to this, okay, because in, if you see in the glycolysis, two pyruvate molecule is formed here. So when one molecule enter in the Krebs cycle, this molecule is formed. Okay, if two molecule, because two molecule is formed in the glycolysis, so both molecule will converted to Krebs cycle, and formation of this takes place. One molecule gives this. Okay, so two molecule multiply, if you convert multiply it to 2, then these molecule will be formed. Okay, these molecule enter into the ETS, electron transport system, and it generates the ATP. Okay, so the result of the energy will be released out. Okay, so it is the simple Krebs cycle. Okay, your concept will be clear okay, if your concept will be clear, why dehydrogenase enzyme involved here. Okay, why NADS, why NAD means, what is the meaning of NAD to NADS conversion. Okay, okay, and number of you will also mind that which molecule is how much number of carbon involved in that. Okay, so it is very important for B Pharm students. Okay, because you should be know about the chemical structure. Okay, so it is the total Krebs cycle. Okay, and I think it is complete, and if you have any queries regarding this cycle, okay, then please write down in your in your comment box. Okay, I will solve your problem, and I think you will be learn a very easy way. Okay, okay, so first of all you should be know about the these substrate. Okay, and on the basis of substrate this enzyme is named. Okay, and where NAD converted to NADH, and where GTP is released, and where FADH2 is formed. Okay, so these is the key points you should remember that. Okay, so it is by which you can learn very easy way. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, by which I will appreciate it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Okay, have a nice day. Okay.